Hi, I'm Marina Bloomer, founder and program director of Stellar Tech Girls. Stellar Tech Girls is a company that inspires and empowers girls to see their potential in engineering. Our offerings include summer camps, after-school programs, and private events in person at our facility in Middleton, Wisconsin. Although 74% of middle school girls express interest in STEM, only 15% of the engineering workforce is female. STEM jobs are growing at a higher rate, and they pay more than twice the median wage of other occupations, and we are leaving our girls behind. As an aerospace engineer myself, I've seen women continue to drop off in high school, college, and throughout their careers. As I rose into leadership positions, I often found myself the only woman in the room, and I knew that we needed to make a difference. We needed to find a way to inspire girls to keep that excitement for STEM as they get older.